Hi, and welcome back to BeanTalk. I don't know where you're at right now and how the weather's there, but here in Austria, while we're filming, it's super hot. So we thought maybe let's cool down with a few refreshing iced coffee drinks. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so first drink is the iced espresso. So therefore, we need a glass of ice, of course, and an espresso. Preferably a double espresso, just because it tastes better. So yeah, we've got our glass. Then we've got our beans ready to go for the grinder, because today we're single dosing. So for this purpose, I just take a relatively basic espresso blend and just pour. Our first drink is the iced espresso. So therefore, the name says it all. You need some ice and you need an espresso. Preferably a double espresso, so it tastes better and you actually have more of the drink, of course. So yeah, that's it. Take the glass and pour the espresso on top. Easy drink, tastes amazing. All right, drink number 2 is the iced cappuccino or iced flat white. Also very simple drink. We once again need a glass of ice. Then first we pour some cold milk on top. Leave a little space. Then we foam the rest of the milk. Not super hot, just about 40 degrees. So now we pour our espresso on the milk. So in this case, a double espresso. So it's more an iced flat white. You pour it slowly on the ice cubes. You get a nice little contrast, as you can see. And then just pour the foamed milk on top, which is just going to give you a little different haptic. So it's got a little foam on top, and it's nicer to drink. For everybody that loves some cold milk, a great drink now in summer. Number 3, one of my personal favorites in summer because it's super refreshing, is the Espresso Tonic. So first off, we need a glass with ice once again. We need tonic. Fill it up. So there's a little space for our espresso. Then we're gonna pour straight on top. That's good stuff. Drink number 4 is the Shakerato. So for that purpose, we need a shaker with 100 grams of ice in it. Then we need a double espresso. We pour the double espresso on top. Close our shaker. And then of course, shake it. That gives it, of course, a nice creamy texture. It's super nice to drink, of course. Drink number 5. Maybe the fanciest way to make iced coffee is the cold dripper. So yeah, cold drip is super nice. I've already prepared some yesterday because it takes a little time. So here we have this top part, which is filled with ice and water. Then here you can control the speed of the dripper. You want about 1 drip per second. And then in there, you would usually put coffee in a filter. And yeah, this whole process takes about 6 hours, which is a little bit too long for this video. So that's why I already prepared it. So just for this fancy purpose, we're gonna use this fancy glass, and it smells amazing. So here I would definitely recommend getting some sort of fruity coffee. Like for instance, I used Ethiopian Natural by Deluxe Cafe. And yeah, enjoy. The brew ratio I used here here's about 1 liter, and then 75 grams of coffee. And it takes about 6-7 hours, depending on the speed of the drip. And yeah, that's cold drip. Number 6, another one of my personal favorites because it's just super easy to make and you can store it at home, make it at home super fast, is cold brew. So once again, just get a glass of ice and some cold brew. How you prepare cold brew, there are different methods, but basically all you need is ground coffee and something to put it in. So for this reason, there's the Hario Mitsudashi, for example, where you just put the coffee inside here. I used, again, like for the cold drip, 75 grams. Then you close it. You can put it in here and then just fill this bottle up with water. Let it sit for about 12 hours, which I've again already done for you yesterday. So this video is not too long. And yeah, so let's enjoy some cold brew. Yeah, again, here I would also recommend something fruity. Usually maybe even go for a natural because it gets a nice little boozy kind of taste. And yeah, it's amazing. A little easier to make than cold drip. And also if you want to store it for a longer time, maybe even filter this through a V60 paper filter. And you can store it for up to a week at home. All right, that's it for our iced coffee drinks. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried any of the recipes and how you like them, of course. And yeah, please hit the like and subscribe button. It would mean a lot to us. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you next week. Until then, drink lots of good coffee. Bye. All right, if you enjoy our videos, please do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. And also maybe if you have some ideas for future videos or topics that we could do in our show, just put it down in the comments and let us know. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.